What is personality theory? The word personality comes from the Latin term persona, which means mask. Originally, the term personal refers to the roles played by actors. Over time, it came to signify the enduring characteristics of a person that go beyond temporary moods or situational behaviors. Personality, therefore, is the relatively stable organization of psychological traits and mechanisms within an individual that influence their interaction with the environment. Formally defined, therefore, personality theory refers to the systematic frameworks developed by psychologists to explain the consistent patterns of thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that make each person unique. In simple terms, it is the study of how and why individuals differ in the ways they think, feel, and act. It is important to note that personality theory does not merely describe observable behaviors. It also seeks to uncover the deeper structures, traits, processes, and influences that shape human identity and guide social interaction. It must also be noted that personality theories attempt to explain the stability and variability in human behavior. For instance, Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theory emphasized unconscious motives and early childhood experiences, while trait theorists, such as Allport and the developers of the Big Five model, highlighted measurable dimensions like extroversion, conscientiousness, and neuroticism. Humanistic psychologists like Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, on the other hand, viewed personality through the lens of self-growth and the pursuit of self-actualization. Meanwhile, behaviorist and social learning approaches stressed environmental influences and observational learning, and biological perspectives focus on genetics and brain processes. The importance of personality theory lies in its ability to provide a framework for understanding human diversity. It helps explain why individuals respond differently to similar situations, how they form relationships, and how they adapt to challenges. Beyond explanation, personality theories also have practical applications in counseling, education, organizational settings, and even healthcare, where knowledge of personality traits can guide interventions and improve outcomes. Indeed, personality theory offers a structured way to study the complexities of human individuality. By integrating biological, psychological, and social perspectives, it helps us grasp not only what people do, but also why they do it, thereby deepening our understanding of human nature.